Hello guys, in today's video let's see the 10 tallest mountains in the solar system discovered so far. Earth just squeaks into this top 10 list in 10th place with Mount Everest. Mount Everest is Earth's highest mountain above sea level, located in the sub-range of the Himalayas. The current official elevation of the mountain is 8,848 meters, 29,029 feet 5.498 miles, recognized by China and Nepal, was established by a 1955 Indian survey and subsequently confirmed by a Chinese survey in 1975. Mount Everest consists of sedimentary and metamorphic rocks and formed during the Cenozoic collision of India with Asia. The 9th place goes to Maxwell Mount in planet Venus. Maxwell Mount is a mountain massif on the planet Venus, of which a peak is the highest point on the planet's surface. Scientists at the American Arecibo radio telescope discovered the extensive highland on Venus that came to be called Maxwell Mount in 1967. In 1978, the space probe Pioneer Venus 1 went into orbit around Venus for the purpose of making radar observations of the Venusian surface. These observations made possible the creation of the first topographic map of the surface of Venus, and confirmed that a point within Maxwell Mount is the highest point above the average level of the planet's surface. Maxwell Mount is 11 kilometers, 36,000 feet 6.8 miles high. Due to its elevation it is the coolest and least pressurized location on the surface of Venus. The 8th place goes to Elysium Mons on Mars. Elysium Mons is a volcano on Mars located in the Martian Eastern Hemisphere. It stands about 12.6 kilometers, 41,000 feet 7.8 miles, above its base, making it the third tallest Martian mountain in terms of relief and the fourth highest in elevation. Elysium Mons was discovered in 1972 in images returned by the Mariner 9 orbiter. Elysium Mons has many craters on its surface. Some of these probably formed by meteor impact, but many show no ejecta pattern characteristic of meteor impact. The 7th place goes to Onis Mons on Mars. Onis Mons is a large shield volcano located on planet Mars. The name Onis Mons is a classical feature name and is Latin for Peacock Mountain. It highs 8.7 miles, 14 kilometers 46,000 feet. The volcano was discovered by the Mariner 9 spacecraft in 1971 and was originally called Middle Spot. Its name officially became Onis Mons in 1973. Using Mars Global Surveyor, MGS, and Mars Odyssey data, scientists found much evidence that glaciers once existed on The 6th place goes to Elysium Mons near the equator of the planet Mars. Elysium Mons is an extinct shield volcano. It highs 17.7 km 58,380 feet 11 miles. 7 cave entrances have been discovered on its sides. These caves could contain reserves of water, ice, or even life. They are possible locations for a cave settlement for future colonists and protect them from meteorites and radiation. With repeated clouds over the volcano, there is some debate about the nature of the clouds, whether they are dust particles or water vapor. If this is in fact water vapor, that indicates the presence of water ice around it. The 5th place goes to Busal Montes on Io, a moon of Jupiter. Busal Montes is a collection of 3 mountains, all connected by a raised plain. The mountain termed south is the tallest of the 3. It highs 17.5 kilometers 10.9 miles 57,414.7 feet 1. The 4th place goes to Elysium Mons. Elysium Mons is a large shield volcano located on the planet Mars. It highs 11.3 miles 18.2 kilometers 59,664 feet. Elysium Mons was discovered by the Mariner 9 spacecraft in 1971. The volcano was originally called North Spot because it was the northernmost of only 4 spots visible on the surface due to a global dust storm that was then enshrouding the planet. As the dust cleared, the spots were revealed to be extremely tall volcanoes whose summits had projected above the dust-laden, lower atmosphere. The 3rd place goes to Equatorial Ridge of Iapetus. Saturn's moon Iapetus has a long, 20-kilometer high ridge running along most of its equator. Iapetus's equatorial ridge was discovered when the Cassini spacecraft imaged Iapetus in 2004. Peaks in the ridge rise more than 20 kilometers 65,472 feet 12.4 miles above the surrounding plains, making them some of the tallest mountains in the solar system. The ridge forms a complex system including isolated peaks, segments of more than 200 kilometers and sections with 3 near-parallel ridges. The second place goes to Olympus Mons. Olympus Mons is a very large shield volcano on the planet Mars. It highs about 21.287 kilometers, 69,841 feet, 13.2 miles. The volcano's height was measured by the Mars Orbiter Laser Altimeter. Olympus Mons is about 2.5 times Mount Everest's height above sea level. It is the tallest mountain on Mars, and the second tallest mountain currently discovered in the solar system. At 600 kilometers, 370 miles, in diameter, the footprint of Olympus Mons covers an area of land comparable to the size of France. Olympus Mons is the youngest of the large volcanoes on Mars. As with tall mountains on the Earth, there has been much snowfall on Olympus Mons. Scientists see much evidence for glaciers. The first place goes to Reyes, on the asteroid Vesta. For a long time, we thought Olympus Mons was the tallest mountain in solar system, but everything changed in 1997 when Hubble Space Telescope discovered Reyes. It highs 22.5 kilometers 73,818.9 feet 14 miles. Reyes is the most prominent surface feature on the asteroid Vesta and is thought to be an impact crater. It is 505 kilometers, 314 miles, in diameter, which is 90% the diameter of Vesta's 529 kilometers 329 miles. The asteroid was a subject of a close study by the spacecraft Dawn between 2012 to 2015. It is the tallest mountain in the solar system so far discovered. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe for more and check out our video on Mars helicopter.